In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a service in Xero. Whether you're just getting started with Xero or need a quick refresher, this guide will take you through everything you need to know to add a new service efficiently and accurately. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Xero account and are viewing the main dashboard. If you haven't already opened the Xero website, go ahead and do so now. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll want to direct your attention to the top menu. Click on the Sales tab, which is conveniently positioned to give you quick access to sales-related functions. Next, within the Sales menu, locate the option titled Product and Services. A simple click on this will take you to where you can manage all your existing offerings as well as add new ones. This area in Xero is specifically designed to keep your services and products organized. Now that you're in the Product and Services section, it's time to add your new service. For this, click on the New Item button, typically positioned to prompt the addition of new entries. This is where you'll start entering the details for your new service. The first field you'll encounter is the Code field. Here, you'll want to add a unique code that identifies the service you're adding. This code can be a combination of letters and numbers, whatever best suits your tracking and categorization needs. Next up is the Name field. Enter a recognizable and concise name for the service to make it easy to identify in future transactions. Once you've set up the code and name, the next step involves the Cost price. Enter the base cost for providing this service. This information is key for financial tracking and ensures that your accounting remains accurate. Now you'll come to fill out the purchase account and tax rate sections. These settings are crucial as they determine how the service impacts your accounting figures, as well as how tax is applied when the service is sold. Make sure you choose the appropriate account from your chart of accounts that aligns with the nature of your service. Likewise, select the correct tax rate based on your local regulations or company policy. It's essential that all fields are carefully reviewed to make sure everything is just right before moving on. After you've filled in all required fields and double-checked for accuracy, you're ready for the final step. To save all your hard work and ensure the service is ready to be used in future transactions, click on the Save button. Once saved, your new service will be listed within your products and services, ready to be included in invoices and other relevant sections. And that's it. You've successfully added a service in Xero. By following these steps and paying close attention to detail, you've ensured that your new service will be seamlessly integrated into your business operations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more Xero tips and tutorials.